there people, I'm Mr. Unbox, and today I'm going to tell you a story. See, this is not about fidget spinners. It's not about any other fidget tool in particular. So if you are watching this because you want to see these, then you can just go away, because it's not what this is about. This is the story about how one company tried to beat the copycats on Kickstarter. You see, every time somebody launches a new product on a crowdsourcing platform like Kickstarter or Indiegogo, the copycats are ready to grab the ideas and produce their own version, and because they have access to cheap manufacturing in a factory in China, they can very easily beat the original product to market. And this is of course a problem, because those people are really trying to get their own product out and to create something new, something exciting, and they have all their ideas and they have spent loads of time trying to perfect this. So for them, it's of course kind of annoying that whatever they do, when they come out with their own product, the product already exists and millions have already been sold. So this one company did something special. You see, when they launched their Kickstarter campaign, all the product photos and their 3D renderings were faked. So when all the copycats tried to steal their idea and created their own product and put this out on the market, those products were really, really bad, because they didn't work. So let me just show you. This is the product I'm talking about. It's called the Infinity Cube, and it is a fidget tool. A small cube that you can fidget around with. And the product images they displayed for this one had some really bad hinges. So when the original came out, this was the good stuff. So why doesn't everyone do this on Kickstarter? Well, first of all, of course they want to show off a good product, a solid product, something that works, and they want to show off what they made and what they're proud of and what is a huge part of their life. But there's another small catch. When all these copycats send out a product early on the market, it creates a huge word-of-mouth marketing apparatus. Everybody gets to know this product, even though it hasn't been released yet. But with this one, everybody who tried this, who got a copy of this, knew that this product didn't work. They knew that the hinges would break easily. They knew that it was a cheap piece of plastic hinged together. So what Infinity Cube experienced was that they actually got really bad marketing out of this. This product never reached the popularity it could have had if the copies were good. So what can you do? Can you beat the copycats? Well, if you look at the product like the Solo Wheel IOTA, which we have a story about here, they did something similar. Well, first of all, Solo Wheel is already well known for their other products, so they are an established company. But after their initial IOTA was funded on Kickstarter, they completely redesigned the wheel. And that means that whoever copied the first version wouldn't get all the benefits of the new version. And I can't help thinking that maybe this was intentional. Maybe they already knew from the beginning that this was not what the product was going to look like. Maybe they already had all the drawings for the new improved version ready, but just waited telling the public until it was funded and until it was too late for the copycats to beat them to market. I don't know what you think. Do you even buy stuff from Kickstarter or Indiegogo? Do you support all these new products? I do. A lot. Too much. And there's no doubt that some of the stuff I get is complete and utter junk. But other things, and I actually really enjoy this one, are amazing. Anyways, that's just my opinion. Please give a thumbs up if you sort of agree, or tell me in the comments if you have another opinion. I would love to hear from you. And if you want to see our weekly news updates, which are on every Tuesday on Tuesday Newsday, then don't forget to subscribe and add notifications so you get notified every time. And we also have a lot of great unboxings coming our way. We have the Solo Wheel IOTA coming. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay frosty people, and see ya!